What up? Doing the second part on Fat Boy's Kitchen. I'm here with Susan.
What's up? So I got the wings. I did garlic parmesan and barbecue.
Oh, man, those fries. You got
I
the
know,
fat
right?
fries,
So
did
this is what it looks like.
Alright.
Yeah, you got it.
Get a little close up.
And I can't eat them all, so he's gonna help me.
Yep.
And then I got the Fat Boy fries that I covered in ketchup because I can never have enough. But they have like cheese and Fat Boy sauce and scallions and bacon on it. So it looks pretty dang good.
Today I got the Philly steak. Try it out because they sold out of burgers. They sold out of burgers because they're so good with making their burgers. And I got their mozzarella cheese sticks. I love cheese sticks. I was going to try the mozzarella cheese stick burger, but if these were the cheese sticks that they're going to put on top of the burger, that thing would have been massive. But yeah, I'm going to try this for the first time. See how it goes.
All right.
All right.
I feel like you can't really go that wrong with fries. Okay. No, I've just been eating wings. Maybe the past year is the first time that I've ever had wings, like especially on a bone.
Oh yeah, you don't eat them on a bone.
I don't.
What is going on?
No, I tried it like about a year ago, maybe, because some people, you know, pretty much dared me, and I finally just did it.
Did it?
So I can do it.
Right.
I'm still not a professional, and it's probably still kind of messy, but you know what, I do it.
Yeah, this is straight. It's definitely worth the money. It's like it's very seasoned, not too spicy. And I think I forgot to put. Does this come with mayonnaise? I'm not really a mayonnaise person, but I mean, it still tastes good.
Mhm. It
looks good. Does on it. I don't want to stop taking bites. We're eating Fat Boy's Kitchen. Yeah, y'all don't see Sheikah in the camera. That's Sheikah. Now she's leaving.
Especially because I said that as country as I could.
So I just had a bite of the barbecue wings. They're really good. If you want to try one, go for it.
Yeah, sure. I'll try one.
You gotta try this one too. This is really good.
The garlic parmesan. Yeah, the barbecue can go wrong with this. I could probably eat 20 of these.
Yeah. I've never had garlic parm for wings, but this is really good.
Oh man, yeah, I could go for their wings. How much was the wings?
10 of them for $9.
That ain't a bad deal.
Nope. Now you gotta try one of those. Seriously, they're really good.
Let me get a leg piece. They're all wings. Oh, I'll try one. Garlic.
It's good, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. I guess this would be the full menu review.
Yeah.
I gave out the burger. Now we're trying the steak, and we got the wings, the fries, and mozzarella sticks. Give you a good overall review of this place.
Yep. It's really good, though.
I guess it was meant to be. They sold out of burgers today.
Yep.
So I can try all this other stuff. It's gonna be hard not to go back.
I know.
Hold on.
Right.
That is not what I usually see you eating.
Nope.
Exactly.
I'm doing a review with him.
Yep.
What's the review?
Fat Boy's Kitchen.
Where is it?
It
There's
was
a food truck.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Two doors around.
it's wings and fries.
How's the review so far?
It's really good, actually.
Yeah, it's really good.
If you want to try one, you're more than welcome to.
So
to
when
be
you go
honest.
when you go off the ledge, you go off the ledge.
Yeah.
This isn't
That's
that
not too
bad.
far off.
Jeez,
Really.
thanks for making me
If
feel
you're
terrible.
offering,
Yeah, take one.
which
This
one,
one,
should I
obviously.
try?
Oh no,
This is
both of them are
barbecue
good.
and garlic parm, which is actually that's pretty good. Mm-hmm.
Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
Yeah, let's see.
See, you
how
can
it
be bad
tastes.
with me now.
The garlic parm for bone.
Right.
Yep.
Oh my god.
Yep.
I ain't expected to be that good.
I know. If you want to
It's
try
like a-
barbecue one too, you're more than welcome to.
Oh, see, you're just trying.
No, honestly, I have these two. There's no. I mean, I told him he could try some too.
Mm-hmm.
So there's.
Yeah, because it came with a lot of wings.
Yeah, and these are pretty big wings too. Mm-hmm.
No, listen. When I go off the edge, I go off the edge too. There's yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Did I got you in my emails? I still usually try to send out emails to people.
Oh, you are doing a review.
Yeah, I am.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Like right now?
Yeah, right now.
Well, hey, we got you when
Yeah,
it's
we got
saying it's
one.
a bomb, so that's good.
Yeah.
The bomb.
I can put you
Yeah.
on my emails and let you know when they're close by.
Yeah. Oh, so what do you put your reviews on?
On YouTube?
You really?
Yeah.
You gonna be on YouTube? Man?
Yeah.
On YouTube?
Yeah, you'll be on YouTube.
sensation.
Really?
Yep.
My kids are obsessed with YouTube.
Oh, now you're gonna be.
That's all they
You
do.
want to say hi to your kids?
Ryan's toy review.
Right.
You're gonna edit this, right?
Yeah, these mozzarella cheese sticks.
Mm-hmm.
Banging.
Yeah, I think they both were really good.
Yeah.
I mean, the garlic parm was really good.
Yeah, I like the garlic palm better than the.
It's hard. All
yeah,
of them
it's
are good.
but that's just, I mean, it's bomb.
Did they have some other flavors like?
Yeah, they had like 10 other flavors. Lemon pepper, some kind of Thai thing,
Thai.
Asian, or Asian curry or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there was hot, obviously. Yeah, they on the website it has a list of all the flavors and everything. So definitely good.
The cheesesteaks, really good. Come with a good little marinara dip.
The wings.
Oh, you didn't get to your fries yet.
Oh, I did. I've had a
Oh, you
little
did?
bit. It's so big, it doesn't look like I've done anything.
Right.
Barbecue were good. Garlic parm was really, really good. Like, I've
Yeah, that
never
was
had it before,
surprisingly
but I
good.
feel like that's probably one of the better ones probably out there. And the fries were good too.
Yeah.
So, good job.
Yep.
Yep.
I'll put the link in the information down below. This is the part 2, Fat Boy's Kitchen. Peace. Just wanted to mention that, I don't know, I just tasted something really good. I don't know if it's a sausage or something, but it's like the way it was seasoned in this Philly steak. It was like some type of sausage flavoring in it. It's a mystery, but it's really good. So can't go wrong with the Philly steak, burgers, wings, and mozzarella cheese sticks are thick and good. So.
Alright, you guys made it to the end of the video of Shawn and Shawn.
Go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment.
Yeah, to leave us any feedback or suggestions of places we should check out. And stay tuned, more to come.